Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency and blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube from The Real Deal. All right, brothers, look. There's going to be excessive smoking, tobacco products, alcohol consumption, and foul language. This is definitely not safe for work. So look. If you can't handle that, or if you're at work right now, but maybe you can handle it, but you're at work and you can't handle your boss hearing this, then click off now, because here I come in 3, 2, 1. Bang! Bang! Welcome, brothers. Bang! We have a good show for you today. My name is Shamari Clark, and welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. We have a great show for you today. All right, so first of all, let me apologize. And look, this is what you get here. So apparently, Cardano yesterday, I reported on Cardano, and and like I told you guys, I'm a market guy. I'm not a techie guy. And I was schooled yesterday. I was schooled last night by our brother Bob. He is actually our crypt keeper, our airdrop master. He's just around. You know, he's a spirit being that just is around and it talks to you when you need to be talked to. Luck. But anyways, so he schooled me. So Cardano has their mainnet up. And we're going to get to it because it's the first story, because I have to apologize to all Cardano lovers, car hodlers. Settle down. We're not going to talk to you like cult members, because I do respect Cardano as well. So I got to talk to you guys. I realize now, I didn't know. I thought once you went from testnet to mainnet, that was it. And then you were off to actually doing stuff. I admit it. Yeah, guys, I'm not perfect. I'm a market guy. What you get from this channel is markets. If you want to know all the techie stuff about all the crypto you own, you're not going to hear that here. I don't know about nodes, proof of this, proof of that, proof of fuckery, and all this shit. That's not what I know. I know about, bang, the nature of the institutional investors that are coming. I know about ETFs. I know about custody. I know about, proper shit. I don't know all this techie crap. So I am going to apologize to Cardano holders, because Cardano, you have good news today, and bang. I'm not even going to tell you what it is, but you have some good news today. Of course it is good news today for you, to embarrass me about making bad news about you last night. Well, that's how life goes sometimes. And so, bang, Cardano hodlers, I got something for you. Now, I'm going to talk to you about this 10x thing. 10x alters its structure. Now, the reason I'm bringing up this story is it's not a story about 10x. I really don't give a fuck about 10x. I told you guys I own 10x. But what I want to show you is just how a proper market guy handles his portfolio. I'm a market guy. That's what I do for a living. And I'm just going to give it a little example about that, try to decultify you guys, some of you guys, okay? But then we get into the real deal. This was the big news today. Hyperledger, 16 new members. Oh, and they're big. We're not talking about the little chicken shop down the road. Fortune 500, 16 new members today. Bang, bang, and look. All you people, and this is what I'm going to tell you. Remember this. You don't need tokens for a blockchain to work. Your blockchain right now that you're invested in with this token thing, it doesn't need that, right? You don't have to have a token to do whatever. You could just have the blockchain. And so be wary of your enemy. Know your enemy. Bang! And we're going to talk about that. And then finally, and this is what I want to talk to you about. What kind of futures do we got coming? What kind of fucking... what the fuck's that shit called? We got the futures. The ETFs are coming. That's right. Bitcoin futures, Bitcoin ETFs. Bang, bang, bang. And what I tell you, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. Those are the only, and I know Ethereum today, and I'll talk about that. Actually, I'll write this down just so I remember. I know Ethereum with the CFTC thing. So I'll talk about that today. Questions. I'll talk about that today. But Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash, commodities. So we're going to talk about Ethereum and Ethereum futures, and with the ramification to the market. And in terms of your holdings, Like I told you, man, we are at such a low level right now. I told you all that big cap shit. Your Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum. I mean, if you're a Bitcoin Cash believer, whatever, man. I mean, I don't tell you what to do with your money, but fuck all that. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum. Bang. I'm going to show you, well, I've told you before and I've shown you before, but I'm going to reiterate what I've said about those. So, well, brothers, welcome to Wednesday. Let's get to how we do. We do a bang, and then we do a bang, and then we do a bang. Oh, yes. And then you know how we like to do it, though. Refresh. Get the new numbers. All right. So I see Bitcoin's at 34. All right. So it seems we've stabilized now from the 6,000. Actually, let me talk to you guys like this first. Holy, what the hell? All right, let me talk to you like this first for a second. So we went from 6,000 and change, what, about 2.5 weeks ago? And we're down at 3 and change now. Oh, 3.5. Sorry, guys. What the fuck? I sit in this chair, I get fucking hiccups. This is the second night in a row. And what was I going to say to you guys? What the fuck was I going to say? What the point is this? Look. Oh, so we're stabilized. Holy smokes. So it looks like we've kind of stabilized a little bit. Actually, we'll go back to this for a second. We've stabilized right here, it seems like, around the 3.4, 3.5, 3, right? 3.6 to 3.3 level. Actually, I heard it went down to 3.2 today. So between the 3.2 to 3.6 level, and I was telling you about my investment strategy. Right now, I have money on deck in Coinbase, and I'm waiting. But I am going to hold my trigger finger. For once, I'm going to hold my trigger finger. And like I told you guys, I think I said it yesterday. I'm going to say it again real quick. $4,000 is my Bitcoin price trigger. If it goes to 4,000, pop, I'm going to grab a couple. But as long as it stays under 4,000, I'm going to wait to see how far down it goes. If it goes down, really what I'm looking for is I want it to go into the 2,000 levels. So 2009 and down, and then then the trigger finger is going to be ready to rock. Do you get that? All right. Let's just go on, though, guys. That's just my personal strategy, okay? So, bang, top 10 cryptos of the day. Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, Stellar, Tether, EOS, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV, Litecoin, and Tron. All right. Look at the juggling going on. Between 5 and number 9, you could refresh this anytime, and any other one coin will be above the other in terms of market cap. Well, look how close the market caps are. 1.4 billion, let's call that 5 billion, 1.7 billion, 1.7 billion, let's call that 8 billion, right? Like, so these guys are juggling all around. The 1 billionaires are juggling around. Tron doesn't have the power to get up there yet. But look at, all right, so we did that. So top 10. All right, bang. Now let's look at the total market cap, and then we'll talk about some other shit. But look. What do we got? Low single digits down. And that's all we got. Low single digits down. Low single digits down. A couple green in there. Oh, look at that guy. We'll talk about him on our top 10. But low single digits, way low single digits down. You either went, yeah. Low single digits down, brother. All right. Pundi X. A bunch of you boys are talking to me about this thing. I'm going to look into it. Hold on, though. Bang and bang. Top 10 on sale tonight. Revain, Factum, MOAC, Mithril, Bitcoin Cash, Omis Go, Bitcoin SV, Wax, Chainlink, and Digibyte. Bang. That's what's on sale. Let's look who made money today. 10x. Oh, and that's the story I have for you. Actually, the second story is about 10x. Bang. I guess the market liked what they said today. Not really, because the market doesn't know what it's doing. Bitcoin goes up, everything goes up. Bitcoin goes down, everything goes down. You can't look at it in a proper market way like you do in my markets, the Forex world. Look. Top 10 earners of the day. 10x, DEX, Bitcoin Private, Waves, Polymath, Dentacoin, Insight Chain, Tezos, Qtum, and Aeon. All right, now let's look at the total market cap of the day. What do we have for total market cap? I love it. The other day, I was talking to Ronkez. Son of a bitch. He's like, yo, we get 90 billion on this bitch. Luck. 108 billion today. Bang. Ain't shit. Oh, 10 billion volume. Way down. So check this out. It's only 10 billion volume, but notice the Bitcoin dominance has went up today at 55%. I mean, we know we're just looking at exchanges data, but what am I trying to tell you guys? Anyways, just low volume like this and 55%. There's all right. I'm not gonna say that. All right, so bang. All right. What are we doing? All right, so I gotta apologize to the Cardano lovers. Last night, I do know who Cardano is. I know it's those college professor guys and everything, and they're all smart. And I know. And so I'll admit, last night I was wrong. I was wrong last night. I mistook a testnet for a testnet, and in other words, where you test your blockchain on, and then you move it to a mainnet where you launch it from. I didn't know that you went from testnet to mainnet, but then anytime you were testing shit, you used it on a testnet first and then brought it to your mainnet. And so that's why I dissed you guys. Well, I didn't diss you guys because that. I mean, major partnerships, major corporations. But I did. I mean, it wasn't a diss, but just because I know what you mean and why you're in Cardano. If you're a Cardano holder, I get it. The academic level of it is superior. And the quality of this token is going to be superior to many others because they're not a bunch of little crypto kids, trying to quickly build a little blockchain to make a few $1 million. These are academicians is what we call them. And these are wise men, and they're trying to build something that lasts and is strong and all that. And I get it. And so I apologize to the Cardano holders for being ignorant to the fact of what your blockchain was doing. And I hope I didn't spread any FUD. And but tonight I'm going to make up for it by this. Cardano Crypto Cards launched in South Korea with support for 33,000. Bang! Retail storage, brothers. All right, did I make it up now? Bang! Luck. Cardano. Yes, I fucked up. I know, brothers, I fucked up. And I admit it. I admit it. You know what I mean? Like, look. I'm here to help everyone make money and give right information. If I give bad information and you school me on it, bang. Yeah, motherfucker, I don't know everything. I know everything about bang, the space that's coming here. That's what I know about. All your little crypto crap. I learned from you guys. How do you think I have my V chain? Because Edwin and Bob and Justin Williams were talking about it. And then Justin slapped me in the face with, look, fuckstick, look at all the partnerships. Yeah. People tell me, Shamori, man, you ain't making no money off of YouTube. Oh, believe me. That little slap right there from Justin made me millions. Made me millions. Watch, you'll see. And I'll bring it up. I haven't forgotten. Just like I haven't forgotten about Red Curry, brothers. Bang, bang. Yes, you thought I forgot. All you fucksticks. Edwin, Evans, all you. Ronkez, Bob. Luck. We're going to go get some Red Curry. But just like I haven't forgot about Red Curry, I haven't forgot about the slap I got about the V-Chain. And that's what matters. That's what the brothers are here for. To give you knowledge. And last night, some guy schooled me. Oh, Bob schooled me. Hold on. I'll show you the schooling. Oh, a couple of you guys schooled me. Hold on. And I was like, oh. Because I'm not going to lie. I know about these guys, Cardano, but I didn't know the testnet mainnet thing. I didn't know it was that you could go back to testnet to just test your shit and then go back to your mainnet. So I'm not going to lie. So let's talk. Let's hear what some of the brothers said. Let's hear. Look, he said it's a test net for an upgrade. Bang, Codeman 007 brothers. Okay, now I get it. I thought once you left the test net, it was permanent. Like mainnet now when you just test shit on there and then launch. I didn't get the workings of it, all right? So, bang, thank you, Codeman 007. And Bob, he schooled me hard. Look at this. He schooled me hard. You got to understand what a testnet means. Normally, it means a project is migrating from the ERC20 to its own blockchain. That's what I thought. I thought it meant bang, and you're going to your thing. But no. But then he schooled me and said, but a testnet is to test the new blockchain. But in this case, 88 already has their own blockchain. My bad, brothers. I did not. When I hear testnet, it triggers just, oh, you're just starting? My bad. So in this case, testnet just means that they have built a test network for the upgraded version of the blockchain. Basically, if all is good on the testnet, then they will hard fork into the upgraded blockchain. And this is what helped me really, is this last sentence. A good example is just now the Ethereum is using a testnet for Constantinople. If it works, then this Constantinople upgrade will become the new Ethereum blockchain. Oh, okay, guys. Luck. And that's why I love having a brother. Shmori, why are you doing this? What are you doing? Yeah, man. I'm helping brothers learn about markets, and brothers are helping me learn about fucking coin. Learn about how to do some shit. Bang. You know what I mean? And then this brother down here, what Chris A, he said, bang. Oh, he said Cardano's playing the long game. He said maybe too long. Luck, we'll see. And since we're here, fuck it. Here's our Irish lass. Bang, Lisa Flanagan. Bang. I noticed you changed your thing right there. All right, buddies. Let's get to the story. So, Cardano lovers, luck. I apologize, and here we go. But here we go. I mean, now, forget about the apology shit. I'm over that, okay? You either accept it or don't. Go fuck yourself if you don't. Now, I'm back to Shamari, the regular guy, and look. Dang, this is the shit we're talking about. Like Dash. Dash is just running around this fucking world, just sewing up countries to sell shit to, or sorry, to be used, right? I had so many stories today, actually, and that's why we're going to have 4 today. All right, so let's hurry up then. Look. So here you go, Cardano. All right, hold on. Marinate on that, Cardano lovers. Have a commercial break. Yeah, your shit's real. And I did know about that, so I apologize about yesterday. I mean, I did mention the academic part of it. But it was that testnet talk that tripped me up. That's what tripped me up. I just assumed everything was testnet, mainnet, onto full production. I thought that was the sort of sequence of actions that occurred. Apparently, I didn't know. You go from testnet to mainnet to testnet to upgrade to testnet to upgrade to, you know, I didn't know there was the back and forth of the testnet to mainnet thing. So now I've learned I won't make that mistake again, folks. Don't you worry. All right. Cardano Crypto Cards launched in South Korea with support from 33,000 retail stores. Now, why is that so good? Between South Korea and Japan, that's 60% of the cryptocurrency market. You guys want your mass adoption bullshit? I'm going to tell you, here in North America, Europe, Canada, England, Australia, your mass adoption is going to be a different thing. It's going to be a mass adoption because you got a fucking Bitcoin 401k. It's going to be a mass adoption because you got a fucking Bitcoin IRA, retirement fund. It's going to be a mass adoption because you got a, you know, you got a Bitcoin mutual fund or you're a hedge fund that's running. You ain't going to be buying your motherfucking Starbucks with Bitcoin unless you're a complete moron. And that's where mass adoption will happen in mass, right? Mass, you know, 401k, mass. Justin brought this up the other day. Yeah, all these funds that are going to come out, yeah, they're going to give you VeChain and all that. Yeah, they're going to take all that residual income, all that passive income. They're not going to pass it down to you. And we'll get into all that when we get there. One nightmare at a time. Justin, brother, though, bang, I remember that conversation. That was deep. And you showed me a lot. Well, you got my mind, my juices going about it, and I started figuring it out. All right, brothers, but look, Cardano lovers, this is the apology time. This is the apology store. Cardano lovers, bang. What do we got? The anticipated Cardano cryptocurrency card has been unveiled in Seoul, South Korea. This was possible because of the partnership between Emergo and Metaps Plus. All right. So, according to a YouTube video uploaded by Emergo on December 10th, 2018, today is December 12th, 2018, 2:46 in the a.m. here in South Beach, Florida. Resident of Seoul will be able to use the ADA card at more than 33,000 retail outlets. Oh, and that's what I wanted to tell you. You see that bullshit? A lot of people, when this whole shit started, Bitcoin and Litecoin and all these, they were trying to get individual retailers. So Bitcoin wanted to be proud that, hey, I have Starbucks using my shit, you know, whatever country they did. You know, oh, I have, you know, Whole Foods. I'm just using American companies, but whatever your companies are in your country, use those, right? I have Whole Foods. It's a grocery store, but it's kind of fancy. It's not fancy. It's actually bullshit, but whatever. For America, it's fancy. And so, bang, oh, we have Whole Foods accepting our Bitcoins. What these guys are doing now, I noticed what Dash is doing, and I think this is what Cardano just did. Cardano and Dash aren't going to individual stores saying, will you accept us? They're going to the point of sale device issuers. Point of sale device. When you slide your credit card, that's called a point of sale device. Well, that point of sale device is on a network. And even though you're using your point of sale device, say, here at Whole Foods, well, that point of sale device company also has a point of sale device deployed at, you know, some little fucking corner store or at a hair salon or at wherever. So what Dash, I see what they're doing, and it looks like this is what Cardano's doing. They're not going to individual retailers saying, hey, do you mind using our shit? They're just going to the point of sale person and saying, hey, use our shit, use our crypto. And the point of sale guy, once they say yes, well then, bloop, you're on their whole network now. You know what I mean? I don't have to go to individual stores to ask and beg and plead for you to use my stuff. I just go to the point of sale guy, and if he says good to go, well, now your store does accept Dash. Now your store does accept Cardano's because the point of sale guy says so. Do you see what I'm saying? Do you get what I'm saying? Fuck the retailer. I go to the guy the retailer uses for his payments, and now that retailer is on my thing, whether he likes it or not. You know, I mean, I'm not trying to make it sound corrupt or anything, but do you see what I'm saying? That's what they're doing. They're just going above the heads of the retailers. Screw you, Starbucks. I'll go to the flipping point of sale device people you use, and as long as they say they'll take the Bitcoins or the Cardanos, looks like you are going to too, whether you like it or not. All right, I'm sorry. That was 10 minutes of it. All right, look. You further added that the firm's vision is not just to use ADA as a means of exchange, but to extend its utility across all the industries in the world. Very brave, very good. While not much is known about the newly launched card yet, the Cardano community has welcomed the development, as you should. As you should. Amidst the crypto market plunge. Fuck this plunge. The plunge is happening. We've read about it. We've read about it. We know why. But bang, bang, we know it's coming. And that's what matters. So he added that EMUGO was the only partner ready with deep understanding into offline payment integration and strategic focus to provide a practical application for cryptocurrencies. All right. So they have the means to make this thing work. We plan to develop this product further to ensure we have solid use cases. And that's what I like about this whole Cardano thing. They're a bunch of sort of scientists and like, you know, academic guys. And so they're not here for the quick buck. They're here for the longevity of it all. And just like the brother said here, what did he say? Just what he said. And you're right, brother. You're right, brother. The one brother told me that they're here for the longevity. What did he say? What did he say? What did he say again? Anyways, he said they're here. Here we go. That Cardano is playing the long game. I still like it, and you should, because these guys are smart and they're moving slow. Hey, moving slow and steady, but making sure your shit is good. See, quality goods. Quality goods. A lot of these guys are throwing out crypto, just throwing it left and right. They're just slapping together some code. Pathetic. Long and good. Long and good. So I'm liking this Cardano thing. I'm not saying I'm going to buy it, but the way that they're going about it, like I told you guys yesterday, I have, what's that called? The artificial intelligence shit. Oh, Singularity Net. Yeah, that's not one that I think, bang, I don't fill my warehouse with it. I mean, I have a little shelf of it, but it's not for the money. It's because just long-term, it's going to be something, like it's going to, they're the pioneers of that industry, and that's what Cardano is like. Like, these are academics. These are guys with PhDs. You know what I mean? They're not little crypto kids, making a crypto. They're established men, with PhDs. I mean, I don't know what else to tell you. And so good for you guys. Good for you guys, the Cardano guys. And Cardano, it's a worthy project. And for long term, though, and that's what I wanted to bring up. Oh, and then I watched the video yesterday, and I was kind of dissing Cardano. Look, for long-term growth, and that's how I look at it. Like, my Singularity Nets, I'm not looking to make my millions from it. You know what I mean? Like, I'm here to make millions. I'm not fucking with you. I'm not playing with you. I've told you guys. You guys know I'm a market master. Go to forexfactory.com. Type in my name, SHOMARI. Look around, blah, blah, blah. You see the whole profile. Look, I'm here to make straight cash, homie. But there's some cash that's going to come faster than other cash. In other words, my Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereums, I'm going to make a shit ton right away. In fact, by Q3 next year, if you've got any of that, you should be seeing sizable gains. Sizable. I don't care where you bought it. I don't care where you bought it. You mean 18,000 Bitcoin, Shamari? Those are going to fly. And I have a story right for you now. Yeah, Ethereum futures. I told you, fucksticks. Futures, ETFs, 401ks, all that. Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Litecoin are going to be first. All the rest of this crypto, we'll see how that works. But those two are guaranteed. But I'm still in, hold on. We're still in Cardano mode, apology mode. Yes, I'm still in apology mode for the Cardano hodlers, brothers. Bang. Forgive me. Forgive me, brothers. All right, brothers. Lock. All right, so what else is your coin going to do that's so good? We plan to develop this project further to ensure how solid use cases for broader offline adoption with Korean online and offline merchants. Bang! In the video. Oh, so there's a video. Where's that video? Did they show it? Oh, look. What? Oh, you pussies. I'm sorry, guys. Look. So, look. In the video, Sean Nam, Cardano community member in Seoul, can be seen buying Magnum ice cream from a shop using the ADA-enabled crypto card. Bang! Notably, Meta Apps Plus has already received more than 200 pre-orders for the physical card. That's like that shit. Today's about Cardano, but I know that Tron's got a card coming. But bang, bang. Today's about Cardano because I dissed, so let's stick with the Cardano. Bang! The card is available in the denominations of 100 ADA and 1,000 ADA. Bang! To buy the card, interested users can go to upxside.com and complete the Know Your Client procedure. Bang! Love you guys. All right. And now this is a different story. In other words, this is the card that failed. And the reason I bring up this story is that I bring this up to tell you guys, juggle your portfolio. Look, I've had a portfolio and I've juggled it. Yeah, some of the things I've chosen, not good. Bang, I'm going to read one about you right now. Those ripples, sold that crap. 10x, sold that crap. And this is what I want you to tell you. I bring this story up more for psychological reasons. Guys, I know you love your fucking coin and you think you've made a right decision. But when market conditions prove you wrong, well, just bail out. But I'm going to lose on that one. I've lost money on that one. Yeah, man up. Take the money you've got left and put it in shit that works. You're going to make your money back and then some. Man the fuck up. And so I'm going to give you an example of a fucking token. I've already shown you the ripples. But I'm going to give you an example right here of a token that I bought way back. Way back. 10x, man. I used to love these. Man majambas. But then once market conditions proved themselves, and I lost money on them, all right, well, you move on. Scavenge what you can get from your losses and move on and put that into good shit. So I'm going to show you guys. So this is sort of an anti-story in a way. It's not a story about buying something. It's a story about being a man. You know, like I know you guys are little 9-to-5 worker bees and all that. And I know you lost a lot of money. You threw in a lot of money. And, you know, you don't want to admit you're wrong and stuff sometimes. And look, that's how it happens in all trading. Like I lose trades, fucksticks. I'm an 18-year market trader. 18 years. Okay, 18 years. I lose trades. Yeah, that's part of it. No one's perfect. No one does that. The goal is to win 7 out of 10 trades. That's when you're pretty good. 8 or more out of 10 trades, well, you're pretty badass now, right? So, and actually, I'm at 8.2 out of trades, so I'm pretty badass. But we lose trades. I lose trades, right? And so, also, you just got to admit when you made the wrong choice. So, I'm going to... All right, so, Shmar, what do you mean about 10x? So, I'm just going to tell you... Should I read this to you? Because I could just tell you the story. I don't have to read this shit to you. Blah, blah, blah. All right, let's just go like this. 10x Pay alters their structure with a reward token. So in other words, 10x used to be some shit. All right, let me read it to you. 10x Pay is switching its token structure and distancing itself from the payment card model. That's why I bought it. Back when 10x first came out with their they were going to have the debit card thing. Yeah, they were the first. So I was like, oh. I mean, I know I'm not going to buy my fucking Starbucks with Bitcoin, but I know there are a bunch of morons who will, so that'll be great. Bang! So I bought this shit. The new structure will retain pay, so you still have the 10x token, but the project is going to change. I'm not going to read all this because the real reason is just to show you about market juggling. So the announcement arrives a day after former payment provider Wavecrest got slapped with the fine, and that's what happened. And so now I'm going to just tell you what happened. So what happened was 10x, back in the days when I first got it, yeah, they were with Visa. Visa was like, yeah, we'll use 10x Pay and this pay token thing, bang, 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 to move money around or whatever, move value around. And then they hooked up with this, 10x hooked up with this company, a payment processor called Wavecrest. And they got, Wavecrest was all shady and they were going to court and all this. And Visa was like, nah, dude, we're not going to roll with you when you're with those shiesty pieces of shit. And so what happened was like 10x was like, look, Visa, look. Just wait. Let us find another processor. But no one would process. And so they failed. And so there we go. 10x has failed to find a new payment processor. And so I'm just bringing that up quickly just to show you guys. Yeah, I bought 10x a long time ago. It was supposed to be badass. But look at their market. Look at their shit. It didn't work out. And that's what you have to understand. A lot of the things you're going to buy, they're just not going to work out. Yes, 10x was going to take over and make crypto. Oh, you'll be able to use it to buy or everything. Didn't work out. Right? And so that's all I bring that up about. And is about like just, I want you to invest wisely in things that are working today. Forget what you think is going to work. All that's going to work is our cryptos that are invested with Fortune 500 companies and major governments. That's it. Whether you like it or not, invest in that kind of stuff. Right? Invest in that kind of stuff. That's doing stuff. Not your heart or what some CEO blew up your ass. And so 10X, yeah, at the time when I got it, yeah, they were going to be with Visa. Visa was like, we're down with 10X. I was like, bang, here we go. Yeah, once Visa was like, nah. All right, well, then I'm like, nah. Sold that shit. See what I'm saying? It's like when Ripple with R3, they were going to be the exclusive user of R3. I was like, oh, this is good. Now what did R3 show us? Universal settlements. Anyone can use that token. So I'm good. Nah. You know? And that's portfolio juggling. And what I'm trying to teach you or here in this story is just because you chose something at one point, you chose it for that reason at that time. Now we're down the road. When that time shows you what, now you take a new assessment of that asset. If that assessment differs from that one, you have to make the assessment, is it still viable for me as the investor to hold that asset? Is it still viable for me to hold that asset? 10X, I bought it way back when it first came out. But then I look now, is it viable? Nah. 10X, they were going to come out with the cards and everything. I got my brother Bob. I got my British brothers. They're already using this shit called the fuck is that shit called? WePay? Nah. What's that shit called? Anyway, my WisePay? Maybe European brothers or British brothers, don't diss me, but I think it's called WisePay. You see what I'm saying? In other words, 10X didn't win. I'm here for winners. You know, like that's how I invest in winners. I'm here to invest in the ones that are going to kill the markets. Top notch, be guaranteed when these institutional investors get here. 10X, are you going to still work? Maybe. But I'm not here to invest in that kind of stuff. I'm here to invest in market killers, like guys who are going to be the top of whatever industry they're servicing. So we're in blockchain services companies. So all right, take every industry in the world. They're going to be blockchains that service the dental industry. They're going to be blockchains that serve the teaching industry. They're going to be blockchains that service the logistics industry. There's going to be blockchains that service the real estate industry. There's going to be blockchains that service the military industry. Yes. Oh, yeah, we get into some of that. Bang! Look. There are going to be blockchains that service food industry. Yeah, and there's probably going to be about one or two of them that end up being the top of each one, right? And it's our goal. Well, it's my goal. And I'm sure if you're listening to me, you've been here long enough through this smoking and drinking and cursing. Fuck shit, damn. That's what you're looking for. Top two of each industry. Bang. But preferably, make sure it's in use today before these guys get here. All right, so bang. We've done our apology to the Cardano lovers. Let me say one last time. Sorry about last night's story. Bang. I didn't mean to spread any FUD. Bang. I love you guys. Bang. And I hope it all works out for you. Bang. And it's looking good because you got a credit card coming out. What do you got here? Crypto card. Bang. Yes, in South Korea. Bang. All right. You know what I mean? I admit it, you know. You know what I mean? I got schooled. I didn't know it worked like that. I didn't know you go from the test to the main to the tet to the test. I thought it was test to main to launch. Bang. All right. Well, now I learned. All right, brothers. Look. This was the big news, though. Holy, the big news. And this is actually a blockchain news story. And I told you guys that I was going to bring you guys blockchain news stories because what you have to do is understand your enemy. A lot of you morons, especially you Ripple fucks, I know I keep fucking with the Ripple people, but they're the ones that are the ones that stand out so much is that, yes, Ripple's going to do this, Ripple's going to do that. Yeah, well, guess what? There are other peoples that are going to do that. You're in a battle. You're just one of many, fuckstick. And so what I want to do is also show that, and then this is what I want to show you now, not you cult Ripple members, but now anyone who's wisely investing. What I want you to do is you have to know your enemy. Okay? You have to know your enemy In other words, there's a market. I don't care what your coin is, what your coin's doing. It's in the dental world. All right, you love dental. Maybe you're a dentist and you know, hey, this will be good for our industry. You're in the dental world. All right, there's probably a few dental coins, right? Now, which one is going to be the best for your industry, right, is what you have to look at, you know? In other words, there's going to be enough room in here. Like I keep telling everybody, all these fucking little crypto fascists, you know, running around, our coin's going to kill this, our coin's going to kill Ethereum, our coin's going to kill Swift, our coin's going to kill Tron, our coin's going to kill Bitcoin, our coin's going to kill whatever. Like, settle down, you fucking little fascist. Your coin maybe will do something, and it will be one of many that will do something, hopefully. So anyways, but Hyperledger, they don't fuck around. And so this is also a quick one. I'm not going to get into all the whole thing, but this is what I want you to know. The reason I bring this story up is all of you, no matter what coin you're in, Dentacoin, fucking, I don't know, fucking anything, Moneros, Ripples, V-Chains, IOTAs, those are the popular ones. I don't care, Zilliqa, fucking all of it. Hyperledger is eating your shit. Hyperledger is eating shit out there. IBM and Microsoft, they're blockchaining up the world. Remember this, you do not need a token to have a blockchain. You don't need a fucking token for that. And that's why I tell you, Shamori, why are you always telling us to get blockchains that are working now? Because this, when they get here, they're going to know that most of these little projects, yeah, we don't need your token to work. We can just do that. IBM is going to do that already, probably. Microsoft's already probably got a little blockchain that's going to do what your blockchain does without the whole tokenization part. But once you're in a blockchain right now that is using their token, well, when they get here, they're going to buy it. They're going to be like, fine. Right? Like if IBM and Microsoft and Hyperledger, R3, all these guys are like, yeah, we like this thing. These guys are going to be like, fine. They don't care. Fine. And they're going to buy that. Do you get what I'm saying? So you have to look at, and this is what I want to show you about now. You have to look at your enemy. Yeah, a lot of you guys are so focused on, well, I'm a Ripple lover, and Ripple's doing this, Ripple doing that. Yeah. All right, what's Swift doing? What's Hyperledger doing? What's Monero doing? What's Dash doing? Yeah, that's why you guys are so fucking blown up the ass, because you're stupid. You don't know what your own enemy's doing. You don't realize that your crypto is actually doing nothing. XRPs with 4 banks. All those Ripple stories you do know, those are Ripple Labs. It's not XRP. Dash is doing something. I had a story tonight about Church's Fried Chicken is actually the one taking the money in Venezuela from Dash, not Kentucky Fried Chicken. Kentucky Fried Chicken said, no, we're not taking Dash. But look. That's what I'm talking about. Right? Real shit. All right. So what I want you to do is understand your enemy. And so I'm going to show you Hyperledger is an enemy to a lot of your tokens out there. A lot of you guys have tokens, and Hyperledger is competing with them, and this ain't pretty for a lot of you. All right. Linux-backed blockchain in project Hyperledger announced on Wednesday that it had added 16 new members, including big names. Yo, and these are the biggest stuff they get. Citi, bang. Alibaba, holy, bang. Alibaba Cloud, okay. And Deutsche Telekom, bang. The announcement was made during the Hyperledger Global Forum organized in Basel, Switzerland. Hyperledger is an umbrella project. We all know what Hyperledger is. Fuck all that. We're not going to get into that crap. Hyperledger allows companies to develop. All right, let's go through this part because this is key. This is what Hyperledger does. So if you have a blockchain out there you're invested in, Hyperledger is the enemy. Find out if they're doing anything within your cryptos industry that they're trying to, service, use their use case for, right? All right. So Hyperledger, this is a weird show. Oh, we haven't even got to the real shit yet. To develop applications on the all right, so companies can develop crap, but all right. The project has many contributors and a lot of members. Recently, the following companies joined the Hyperledger: Alibaba Cloud, Deutsche Telekom, We.Trade, Citi, bang, one of the biggest banks in the world, Block DAO, Hangzhou, Information Technology, Guangxi, Beijing. Remember, technology, and Guangzhou Technology, Innovation Space, Information Technology. Remember Guangzhou? Who is that? Who's that with? Bitches, bang, VeChain. Guangzhou, the province of Guangzhou, said he's going to make VeChain the smart city protocol of his province. Bang. And they're also part of this Hyperledger thing. Interesting. All right. KB, Hannah Bank, Health, Verity. Not that I know any of these names. Medi, Con, Sen, Tech Rock, formerly Wally Mail, and Xiao. All right. So, bang. All right. Let's get out of there. So, but look, Hyperledger's rocking. So, oh, yeah. Okay. That's what I told you guys. This is what the whole point of this was. Look, know your enemy. Hyperledger. Oh, that's what I wanted to say. Hyperledger, or sorry, fuck Hyperledger. IBM and Microsoft are right now, they are blockchaining up this whole world. Every single day, that's what the whole show was. This whole show was supposed to be about cryptocurrency and blockchain news, but just, you guys are all a bunch of crypto fucks. So I talk about that, which is obviously also what I give a fuck about. So I don't mind leaving the blockchain part, but the truth is that, yeah, blockchains, you don't need a token to run on it. And so there are actually IBM and Microsoft, they're blockchaining up the world right now. And so what you have to do is you got to make sure that whatever crypto you're into isn't part of what they're crushing, right? Like IBM and Microsoft are into Internet of Things. Yeah, but they're using VeChain and IOTA. They're not coming up with their own solutions to crush them. They're like, oh, come on, guys, we're going to use you guys. So that's why IOTA and VeChain, you better, because you're going to get millions. Fuck sticks. Look, because they're using them. All this other crypto, you don't have to use it, right? Do you get it? You know, like, so I want you to get that. All right, and that's why I bring up that, just to show you that the enemy has added 16 more members. And bang, bang, there's some big names. Yo, Citi, Alibaba Cloud, and Deutsche Telekom. Bang! Know your enemy, brothers. All right, Ethereum Futures. And this is what I want to tell you, fuck sticks. What'd I tell you? Yeah, that's what I told you. At these prices, look at this shit. At these prices, get your fucking Bitcoins. Where is this shit? Bang. Hold on, where's this? Bang. Bang. There it is. Let's even do a quick refresh. Exactly. At 34 and change. Is it ever going to go down farther than this? I don't know. I don't know. But you want to be thinking about these things because remember, these are Bitcoin futures. Bitcoin ETFs. Oh, yeah. And you don't think, what do you think's happening in about 2 years? Dickheads. You got a 401k? I bet you'll be able to Bitcoin 401k in that motherfucker. Yep. Bitcoin IRA? Yeah. There already are Bitcoin IRAs, fuck sticks. Bitcoin mutual funds? Of course. So, and what I'm telling you is that, look at this. There are only 17 million Bitcoins in circulation right now, fuck sticks. Yeah. So, what causes value? Shamari, man, you really think Bitcoins go to $200,000 in 5 years? Yep. Yep. Look at that number. What does that number? What does that number tell you in comparison to all that's going to be made with it? Come on, genius. What do you got? Yeah, dick. It's only 17,000 Bitcoins. Yeah. Well, America's coming with their futures. America's coming with their fucking, what do you call that bullshit? ETFs. Yeah, what do you think the Brits are doing? What do you think the Europeans are going to do? What do you think the South Koreans are going to do? The Japanese? All of this, and you only have 17,000 million Bitcoins to go around? What makes value suck, son of a bitches? Why is wood more valuable than coal because there is less wood than coal. Scarcity. Bang! Yes, brothers, there's the word for you. I fucking gave it to you right there. Scarcity. Why is gold more valuable than wood? Yeah, scarcity. Doesn't do anything. I mean, wood builds your home. Wood will keep you warm. You can burn it and be all safe. But why is gold more expensive? Can't even do shit with it. Duh. Yes, brothers, that's why I'm here. Scarcity. Right? Why are diamonds more than gold? Yeah, scarcity. You can't do anything with them except put them on some girl's hand that you want to fuck. Right? Other than that, wow, all right. My bad. That's not true. Diamond drilling and all that. Yeah. They have industrial value, so. But look. Scarcity is the reason diamonds are so valuable. Look at these fucking Bitcoins, fuck sticks, brothers. Bang. There's only 17 million of them. Scarcity. When they come up with these... Look, brothers. I haven't even said this to you yet. Look. Hold on, you fuck sticks. This is a good one. Hold on. We gotta go. Bang. Look. Yeah. Fuck sticks. When they're doing physically settled ETFs, yeah. Out of that 17 million, someone's got to take them. Scarcity. When they do Bitcoin futures physically settled, nah, you got to take those. Scarcity. That's the beauty. Hold on. I'm even going to preach. Bang. That's the beauty. Look at the scarcity of a Bitcoin. Only 17 million of them. Look at the scarcity of an Ethereum. There's only 103 million of them. Look at the scarcity of your motherfucking Litecoins. Yeah. There's only 59 million. Those are commodities. Guys, those are going to be super valuable commodities. All those ETFs and all those futures contracts that they're going to sell to all these whales, all these fucking bang, all the institutional investors. Institutional investors are not coming here. They're not like me and you. They're not buying one Bitcoin. They're buying 1,000 at a rip, off rip. So you're going to be rich. You're going to be super rich. And what I want to tell you, though, so now I've shown you about the Bitcoin Ethereums. Ethereums, that's stupid. I've shown you about the Bitcoin contracts, and just look. Scarcity. Oh, that's what I was preaching to you about. That's right. I was teaching you about scarcity. Yes, scarcity. Yeah. Look how many ripples there are. 40 billion. Worthless. They're worthless. And they're not even doing anything. Look at these Ethereums. Only 103 million of them. Bang, bang, bang. And they're a commodity. And then this. Look. Yeah. Ethereum what? Fuck sticks. Bang! Ethereum futures are coming. Ethereum motherfucking ETFs are coming. I told you. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. That's where we're going to get our money from. Bitcoin, and look at the scarcity. Bang, let's look at it. You know what? Let's look at volume. Hold on, let's look at this. Let's look at circulating supply. Bang. Let's do a little thing like that. Bang. Where are we at? Right? Bang, bang, bang. So these are your things that are probably going to make a lot of money. Wow. We got to see. Because their circulating supply is so small. Here we go. Now we get into the goods. Look at Bitcoin. Yeah. Look at that circulating supply. It's fuck all. It's fuck all. Look at Litecoins. All right. We already did this. All right. I just wanted to show you. I thought it was going to give us the numbers, like number one circulating supply number, but this is the number where the Bitcoin is at. But look, bang. Yeah. Whoops. And that's what I'm trying to show you guys. And that's why I said this over the past week, and I'm going to say this again. if you can afford it, get your large cap stuff now. Your Bitcoins, Litecoins, your Bitcoins, Ethereums, and Litecoins, get them now. All these Trons and Stellars and fuckery, all these penny ante bullshit, you can get all that crap later. But that's what they're going to make in futures out of. Bitcoin futures, bang, Bitcoin ETFs, bang, Ethereum futures, bang, Ethereum ETFs, bang, Litecoin futures, bang, Litecoin ETFs, bang. That's what the big money is going to come in for first. Then they'll dig around in the rest of the stuff that we have. And you know what's going to happen, like I told you. When they dig, then they'll find the stuff that's working and start with that. So, but let me give you guys, look at this. So there was a review, and so I brought this story up for you guys in that way back when I first started this channel, we had an ETF futures that I reported on, but this one I wanted to prove it to you that there's Ethereum futures. Ethereum futures. Shmar, you're just saying that. No, fuckstick. Why do I have to say that to you? Look, let's check this out. Ethereum might have to wait a little more before it can launch its Ethereum futures. Last year, Bitcoin futures sent a happy wave among the crypto community, and the speculations of Ethereum futures launch gained momentum following this development. And there was an Ethereum futures contract that was applied for but denied. So in June this year, though, the United States SEC declared that Ethereum is not a security. Bang! Not a security, which cleared the way for Ethereum futures, ETH futures. This news brought joy from many crypto enthusiasts. Better. However, this was short-lived as the commodities futures, and these are the motherfuckers here, as the CFTC indicated that it has some more fundamental issues with Ethereum, the third largest with Ethereum. After the launch of Bitcoin futures, it was known that the CBOE, the platform that launched Bitcoin futures, was awaiting approval from the CFTC to initiate Ethereum options by the end of 2018. I don't think that happened. The CBOE will base Ethereum contracts on the Gemini, a cryptocurrency exchange market. CBOE has already based Bitcoin futures on Gemini. All right, so you see, that's why I don't like these fucking crypto fucking websites. They talk like morons. So what they added so much into this one paragraph. So let me break it down for you into English, fucksticks. So, bang, they launched the Bitcoin one, and then they were going to launch the Ethereum one. That one didn't work. But they wanted to rock that at the end of this year. That doesn't look like it's going to work. Now they're telling you that, remember we talked about price discovery. So the CBOE will base Ethereum contracts, or the price of the Ethereum contracts, on Gemini and a cryptocurrency exchange market. CBOE has already based futures on Gemini. So I guess they were allowed to do that. About price discovery. What are we talking about? Fuck all this. Anyways, guys. All right, let's talk. So the CFTC wants these guys to answer some questions. How do the functionalities and capabilities of Ether and the Ethereum network differ from those of Bitcoin? Oh, yeah. So that's right. All right, that's why I brought up this shit. Right. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin are already commodities according to the SEC. I don't know what the CFTC is doing, but they're like, we want to see why Ethereum should be a commodity instead of a security. And so they're going to ask for some questions. It's grandstanding. How is the technology underlying different from Bitcoin? Because Bitcoin is already a commodity. And so I don't understand, but it's because of the decentralization. It's not because of the technology part. So I don't really understand what the CFTC wants, because it's a decentralized network. There is no Ethereum CEO. So whatever, man. Just don't worry about this. That's why I was going to skip it, actually, but it's true. I should let you know the reality. So how is the government the governance of the Ethereum network, similar to that of the Bitcoin, and how could trading derivatives on Ether impact the underlying currency and the Ethereum network. So that's what they want to be answered. That's just bullshit. I'm not going to get into that. So bang, shout out to the airdrops, brothers. So, but what I wanted to show you about that was, yeah, exactly. Sorry. Is that Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. Those are the beginnings. And so blah, blah, blah. CFTC, dissed Ethereum. But what I'm showing you, what I'm trying to show you is that that's the next in line. You get it? So we know that the Bitcoin, Litecoin, the Bitcoin futures are coming. The Bitcoin ETFs are coming. Believe me, 401ks, retirement funds, all that's coming. But let's just stick to the ones we know. Ethereum is the next in line. And then, I'm just telling you, little investor. Look, I'm just a little fuck sticker in South Beach, but Litecoin's next in line. And so what I'm trying to tell you right now is that now that markets are so low, with these kind of prices, get your big cap shit now. Get your big cap shit now. Your $3,000 shit, $89 shit. And, you know, where's Litecoin up in this bitch? $23 shit, right? I know you guys are bottom feeding all this kind of crap. 1 cent. You know, all these little shitty ones. Look. Now's the time to get your big cap stuff. Bang, your VeChain 0.00. It's not even a penny. Fuck VeChain right now. Fuck VeChain, Shamari. You love VeChain. You fucking right, I do. But these are going to be what institutional investors make institutional products out of first. Futures. Bang. First. The futures are going to be Bitcoin futures. Whoa. Sorry, guys. Bitcoin futures. Bang. Ethereum futures. Bang. And then Litecoin futures. Bang. After you make your money off those, then you go to this little small cap fuckery stick sip. All right. Bang. Luck. Let's go to shout outs and airdrops. 2 new today. Bang. Block TV, you just followed me 18 seconds ago. Well, bang. Welcome to you, buddy. DJ Pollywood. What's he saying, though? He's saying something. What's he saying? Oh, he just liked my shit. Bang, Pollywood. Love you, brother. Bang. Federal Floridian. He's got that southern twang a little bit. Bang. Crypto Bridgie. Bang. Yes, girl. I see you. All right. What else we got? Bitcoin Kong. Yeah, that was the Bitcoin Kong guy. Bang. See you, brother. Yes. Bitcoin King. Bang. See you, brother. Oh, that's you. Oh, Kong. Oh, you did this one? All right. Actually, the other guy did that one. But bang. See you, brother. Right? That same, like, one with the bang. Oh, son of a bitch. John Kiss. Yes, my fundamentalist brothers. Yo, we're going to make some loot when this shit goes down. Bang. Here's the master. Airdrop master Bob. Bang. 844-11320. That's where you got to go. Read the top 3 tutorials. Learn your fucking airdrop skills. Bang. Get out there and get them. We used to have them every day. We're not having them much anymore, but check on back. Bang, we got them. I know that the crypto market, ICOs are getting, they're getting farted on. They're getting shitted on. And there's this new STO thing that's happening right now, which are, it's sort of the traditional markets where you're getting regular investors to invest in you before you offer it to the public. Anyways, though, but we're not really interested in that. We're interested in the airdrop master. Bang. When he's got them, go get them. Bang. All right. Luck. Rodster. Bang. See you, brother. Bang. Sanjay. What does Sanjay do? Life hacks for those seeking freedom from financial health and growth worries. All right. Yeah, it's called money. Bang. All right. What we got? Joan Forney's. Bang. See you, guy. All right. Oh, here's DP Entertainment. This guy's been hanging around. Bang. See you, brother. What else we got? Who's this guy? BitCools. BTC Tools. Bang. What else we got? What's this blue one? Rednam. Bang. See you, brother. Yes. See you, brother. What do we got here? What's this here? Moto Spills. Bang. Oh, we saw you the other day. Bang. See you, brother. Son of a bitch. He knows who he is. We already. Oh, but I got to do the bang, bang, bang. Wait. Bang, bang, bang. Yes. We got Bob. Bang, bang. All right, last one. Bang. Hurricane Master. Where's Pollywood, though? We didn't get. Oh, there's Crazy Man, though. We got to get him. Edwin. Bang. Love him. Oh, and Trini Crypto. See ya. Bang. With the boat. She the boat. All right, brothers. Let's go. Let's let you shill it. Well, let's me shill it and kill it. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. All right. So, guys, we learned today, Cardano brothers, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to disrespect. I knew your project. Look. I apologize. And let's just end it that way. I mean, I'm still not saying you should invest in it yet. But look at you sons of bitches. You come out with your new debit card today just to embarrass me about yesterday's dissing. So, good for Cardano holders, and it's an academic thing, and it is, they would rather do it right than fast. And that's an interesting thing for you Cardano lovers, hodlers, bang, believers, bang. What else do we learn about 10x? Luck. That's what I showed you. Look, you buy something, it fucks up. Don't be afraid to leave it. Don't be afraid to leave that behind. Hyperledger. Know your enemy, folks. Know your enemy. Here comes Hyperledger. And Ethereum futures. CFTC has some questions. But the fact is that we have Ethereum futures coming along. And that's what I want to tell you. Bitcoin futures, Ethereum futures, Litecoin futures. Bang, that's the next thing. All right, so let's chill and kill it. Guys, subscribe below. Subscribe right down here. There should be some sort of bell. Press that bell. Press the thumbs up if you like the video. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Look. My name's Shamari. I love talking about this shit, and I love the money. Bang. And I'm here for straight cash, homie. I ain't no crypto believer. I'm a money maker. And this market's going to make money for me. It should make money for you. Bang. So, chill and kill it. Subscribe. Talk to me tomorrow. Luck. It's the favorite time of my day. Thank you very much for sharing your time with me. I hope this was informational in some sort of way. Hope you didn't like the swearing. I hope you didn't mind the swearing, smoking, and drinking. That's how it goes around these parts, though. Bang, bang. So, Shamari Clark, I'm always on duty. Bang. Over and out.